Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to test your knowledge of the annual report and specifically whether you are aware of the various components of the annual report. So let's check it out. All right, first up, which of the following are components of the annual report? Very straightforward. You have 4 options to choose from. More than one can be right. Take a moment, pause the video, see if you can figure it out. Come back and I'll work through the solution. All right, welcome back. So which of the following are components of the annual report? First up, statement of cash flows. Yes, that is part of the annual report. In fact, all of the financial statements are in the annual report, statement of cash flows included. Next up, B, the proxy statement. This is not inside of the annual report. This is a document that corporations must furnish to the public, but it is separate. It is not included as part of the annual report. C, the notes to the financial statement. Absolutely. The financial statements themselves communicate a ton of information, but the notes follow them to say, hey, here's even more detail about those accounts and numbers. And then D, the analyst report. Analyst reports are not included in the financial statements. Analysts analyze the company from an external perspective and try to determine whether the company is a good investment or give price targets, that sort of thing. What's in the annual report is the auditor's report, not the analyst report. All right, let's check the next one. Financial statements. Which of the following are true statements? And remember, more than one can be true. So read through these, see if you can identify the true statements, pause the video, and when you're ready, come back and I'll talk through the solution. All right, welcome back. So which of the following are true statements? Let's start with A. Net income appears on both the income statement and balance sheet. That is not true because net income does not appear on the balance sheet. Now, retained earnings appears on the balance sheet and net income does impact retained earnings, but net income itself will not appear on the balance sheet. All right, B, assets are equal to the sum of liabilities and shareholders' equity. That is absolutely true. That is the basic accounting equation, A equals L plus SE. C, the statement of cash flows reports activity for a defined period of time. That is also true. The income statement and the statement of cash flows both cover a defined period of time. The balance sheet, on the other hand, D, the balance sheet reports activity as of a point in time, is also true. That's the exception. That's the one that doesn't cover a period. It picks out a specific point. Usually that is the final day of the accounting period. All right, so 3 of these were true. And let's check out our last one. The Auditors Report. So the independent audit of a public company's financial statements may be performed by anyone with an accounting degree. True or false? Take a moment, figure it out, come back, and I'll talk through the solution. All right, welcome back. This one is false. It is not anyone with an accounting degree that can do it. It is anyone that is a certified public accountant, anyone with a CPA license. Those are the ones that can perform the independent audit. You must be professionally licensed to do it. You cannot simply rely on your college degree. All right, that was it for this set of problems. I hope you did okay, and I hope you learned something. Join me for another video.